Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete selected chats from your messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your messenger application or go to messenger from your website. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then in the chat section, go to the chat where you want to delete the message. Then hover your mouse towards the chat, then you can see 3-dot button. Click on it, then you can see remove option. Click to remove. There, click to unsend for everyone or remove for you. Click to remove. Then the message will be deleted. This is how you can delete selective messages in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.